Okay, good morning, all of you. So, in previous session, we discussed about pointers. Okay, so how the pointers are internally located in memory. Okay, see here. Okay, so this is a variable name. Okay, A. So it can store some value. So and it has some address. Okay, so I think in our system it displays -12 or -14 or -16. Okay, so this is the variable address. Variable address. So this is the variable value. Variable value. This is variable name. Okay, so this is interlinked. In this address, the value can be stored and the value named as A. Okay, so the variable named as A. This is the variable address, and this is the variable address. This is the variable value, and this one is the variable name. So in this way, the memory is internal memory. Okay, so inside the memory, the variable representation is like this. Okay, so this is the variable representation in pointer. So already, what is a pointer means? Pointer is a variable and it can store address of another variable. So otherwise, pointer is a memory variable and it can store memory address. Okay, now these are the two definitions are there. So pointer is a variable. So that means star A. You see, this is a pointer is a variable. It can store the address of another variable. That means A is equal to ampersand B, or so for example C. So A is equal to ampersand C, like this. So okay, always a pointer is a memory variable and it can store the memory address, or pointer is a variable, it can store the address of another variable. Okay, so how number of people think that, so when you are displaying star A, it displays address. No, so that is not correct. Okay, so when you are displaying a variable like this, it displays the value in this address. Okay, star. So A. Okay, so it displays value in this address. That means A can store some address, some variable address. Okay, so that's why star of, so ampersand C or ampersand B or ampersand D. Okay, whatever it may be. So star operator always retrieve the value located in this address. Okay, so that is about pointer. Already we see a number of programs there. Next one is pointer using arrays. Okay, so pointers to pointers. Okay, sorry, pointers to pointers. So pointers to pointers means, for example, int. Okay, so A star PA star PPA. Okay, star PPA. Okay, so like this. So for example, A is equal to 10. In PA, you can store address of A. Okay, so in PPA, you can store address of PA. Okay, so in triple PA, address of in triple PA, address of what it can store means PPA. Okay, so how the memory is located? So see there, for example, I think, so this is the variable name A. Okay, so it has some value. Okay, 10, and it has some address. minus 12, sorry, minus 12. So this address will be placed in PA. So again, this address has another address that is called pointers to pointers. Okay, suppose minus 22. Okay, PPA. Okay, so next again, this address has another address because address can also stored in memory. Okay, so for example 35 minus 35. So this will be denoted triple PA. Okay, so like this. So this is a normal variable name. It can store some value. It has some address. So that address will be placed in PA. So PA can place ampersand A because address of A. Okay, so PPA can store. So this address is this one. Okay, so this variable address is this. That means PPA, okay, can store ampersand PA. Okay, so next triple PA can store ampersand PPA. Okay, so this is called pointers to pointers. Okay, so the memory representation like this. Okay, so for example, if you want to see the program now, so now I want to go to program. I mean int, I think one normal variable, 3. So single pointer variable. So this is called double pointer variable and triple pointer variable. Okay, so like this. So clear the screen. Okay, so printf, enter the value of A, scanf percentage D ampersand A. So a value reach chesam. So now I can store normal variable address in single pointer variable. Okay, remember all of you, normal variable address in single pointer variable. So in double pointer variable, you can store single pointer variable address. So PPA is equal to ampersand PA. Okay, triple PA. So triple pointer variable can store double pointer variable address. So now if you want to display the variable of value, variable A value in different ways, slash T, percentage D slash T, percentage D slash T. Okay, percentage D slash T, percentage D slash T, percentage D slash N. Close it. So now normally A will print that value directly when you are writing A. So the first control string matches with A and the second control string matches with star PA. Okay, the third control string matches with star PA, PPA. The third control string matches with star triple star PPA. Okay, so here we are completed 4 control strings. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so remaining 2 are there. So one is, I think, star of ampersand A. So otherwise star of star PPA and okay, star PPA means ampersand of. Okay, see the output now. So it is right or not when you see the output now. So star ampersand PPA. What is PPA? It can store PA address. Okay, so PA address and Next, triple star. So what it can store? Again, PPA. Okay. So మీరు already equations రాసారు above. అది చూడండి క్లారిటీగా వస్తుంది. Printf address of A. Address of A is equal to %d/t %d/t. Okay. So %d/t. 4 control strings you are writing here. Now the first control string is matches with normal %a, that will display automatically %a address. So next one is PA star PPA. Okay, star triple PA. So all these displays address of A. Okay, get ch. Now I want to see the output of the screen. Pointer 2.c. Compile it and run it. Enter the value of A. Sorry. See here. So మీరు ఎన్ని ways లో print చేసినా సరే you will get the same display. So okay, how it is right అనేది మనం is it right or not అనేది మనం చెక్ చేద్దాం ఒకసారి. Okay, star triple star. Okay, so see here. Clear all drawings. So I think, see here what we are writing there. So we solve the equations now. So int A star PA double star PPA and triple star PPA. So this is the PA is a single pointer variable and double PA is a double pointer variable. Triple PA is a triple pointer variable, because so we are placing in front of PA only single star asterisk mark. Double PA 2 asterisk marks are there. In triple A, so we are proceeding with triple asterisk mark. That is called triple pointer. Okay. So now I will store A is equal to suppose 36. Okay. So now in PA I will store address of A. Okay. So PPA will store address of single pointer variable. Next, triple PA, it can store double pointer variable address. So now I want to display. So what we want to display means star PA, so single A. Okay. So next, star PA, it also displays value of A. And double star PA, PPA. So it also displays triple star PA. These four, okay, these four displays automatically variable value A. So now see here, please. So A means directly we know it displays 36. Okay. So what about star PA? Star of PA means what you can store PA? %A. Okay, automatically it will display value of A. So next, solve this equation. Star PPA. Okay, star PPA means it can store PA address, single pointer variable address. Okay, so now star triple PA ampersand. Okay, triple PA. So what it can store %PPA. Okay, just remember that. So its value is 36. It's never changed. So next, A value is 36. Now you can display star of ampersand a. Star of ampersand a means it retrieves the value in that address. So in which address it retrieves the value? So it retrieves the value in a address. Okay, star of ampersand a means a. Okay, star of ampersand a means a. Okay, next star of ampersand pa. So please point out star of ampersand pa means it retrieves the value in that pa address. Okay, pa address lo manaki emuntundi, manaki ampersand a. Okay, address of a, star of ampersand a. Star of ampersand a. So next star of star. So what about star of ampersand ppa? What about star of ampersand ppa means ppa. Star of ppa. Okay, so now sorry, just a minute, wait. Star of ampersand pa means pa. Okay, so now star of ampersand ppa means ppa. Okay, so ppa. So now again this value never change. So now we will retrieve the value of a. Okay, so next star pa means what? pa is equal to, मेरा equation line store చేస్తారు ampersand a. Ampersand a. Okay, star of star ppa. Star in double ppa you can store ampersand pa. Okay, ampersand pa. So now 36. So this value also never change. A star of ampersand pa means pa. Okay, so this value is never change. Again this value will never change. 36 star of pa. Pa means pa is equal to ampersand a. Ampersand a. Star of ampersand a means a. Okay, so a. $36. Okay, 36. So please see here. So the equations will be solved. Okay, so now just a minute, wait. చూడండి ఇక్కడ మనకి మీకు ఎందుకని ఎట్లా చెప్పానంటే జస్ట్ మినిట్ వెయిట్. ఓకే, సో ద ఫస్ట్ స్లాట్ ఈజ్ ఫర్ వేరియబుల్ నేమ్. Next one is -14. Okay, this one address. So a variable address. So actually this one is variable a value. So this one is variable a address. Variable a address. Okay, so now again it has another address. The address have another address. So that address is -23. -23. So -23 means here this one. So what you call, so this is ampersand pa. Okay, so again this address has another address. Ampersand Okay, double ampersand double PA. Okay, so okay, so చూడండి ఇక్కడ మనకి ఏ 36 డైరెక్ట్ గా వేసేసాం. ఇక్కడ మీకు ఒకసారి గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాల్సింది ఏంటంటే స్టార్ ఆఫ్ యాంపర్సండ్ ఏ అంటే మీనింగ్ ఏంటి మనకి, స్టార్ ఆఫ్ యాంపర్సండ్ ఏ మీనింగ్ ఏంటి, సో వాల్యూ ఇన్ దట్ లొకేషన్. ఓకే, సో వాల్యూ ఇన్ దట్ లొకేషన్, సో వి విల్ గెట్ ఏ, అంతే కదా, మనకి ఈ ఏ అడ్రస్ లో ఏ వాల్యూనే కదా ఉండేది, సో ఆటోమేటికల్లీ 36. సో దట్ మీన్స్ ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, సో ఇన్ ద సేమ్ కేస్ స్టార్ ఆఫ్ star of ampersand PA. Star of ampersand PA is equal to PA. So like that, star of ampersand okay is equal to PPA. So like that, so you can write, you can solve these equations like this. Okay, okay, star PA, star of ampersand A. PA means we can store, okay, PA is equal to ampersand A, that's why you can write star of ampersand A. Star of ampersand A means A. Okay, so next here star PPA. Star PPA means, so you can store in PPA, so you can store in PPA PA address. Okay, so instead of double PA, so you can write ampersand PA. Okay, ampersand PA. So next star of ampersand PA, so it is equal to PA. Next star of, what is PA value, ampersand A, star of ampersand A, so A. Okay, so like that you will get okay 36 values. So next triple star triple PA. So triple star, what you can store triple PA, ampersand PPA. Okay, so double star PPA, double star. Okay, here PPA means ampersand PA and star PA means PA, instead of PA you are writing ampersand A. So finally you will get A. So 36. Okay, so this is the solvation. Just remember this equation, star of ampersand B is equal to B. Okay, star of ampersand triple P A is equal to triple P A. Okay, so మీరు ఈ ఈక్వేషన్స్ కానీ గుర్తుపెట్టుకుంటే మనం how we are solving these equations, so you can easily get it. Okay, you will get very easily. Okay, that is about pointers. Okay, pointers to pointers. Okay, so now we are going to discuss about arrays in pointers. So how you are sharing arrays. Okay, now how we are discussing in arrays in pointers. For example, sorry, array means int a of 10. Okay, star PA. Okay, int a of 10 and star PA. So here PA is equal to ampersand a of 0. PA is equal to ampersand a of 0 or PA is equal to A. Both are same. ఓకే సో ఏ ఆఫ్ జీరో అన్న ఏ అన్న ఎందుకని ఈక్వల్ అంటున్నానంటే సో యాంపర్సెంట్ ఏ ఆఫ్ జీరో ampersand a of 0 is equal to ampersand a of 0 anna a anna okate. Okay, so why we are calling a is equal to ampersand a of 0 means array name itself. Okay, array name itself is the starting element address. Array name itself is the starting element address. Array name itself is the starting name address. Starting element. Starting element address. Array name itself is the starting element address. Okay, so that's why, so instead of ampersand of 0, so you are writing just a, so automatically that is equal to the PA. Okay, PA is equal to ampersand a of 0. Okay, PA is equal to ampersand a of 0. So our PA is equal to a, both are same. Okay, PA is equal to a or PA is equal to ampersand a of 0, both are 0. So okay, so up to this no problem. Okay, so you can store PA is equal to a or ampersand a of 0. ఇంతవరకు బాగానే ఉంది కదా. PA is equal to a of sorry a or P ampersand PA is equal to a or a ampersand a of 0, both are same. So ఇప్పుడు మీరు యూజింగ్ పాయింటర్ హౌ యు ఆర్ డిస్ప్లేయింగ్ ద అరే ఎలిమెంట్స్. ఓకే, సో స్టార్టింగ్ ఎలిమెంట్ డిస్ప్లే చేయాలంటే స్టార్ పిఏ. ఓకే, నో ప్రాబ్లం, స్టార్ పిఏ అంతవరకు బాగానే. సో బికాస్ స్టార్ ఆఫ్ పిఏ, సో వాట్ యూ కెన్ స్టోర్ ampersand a of 0. Okay, so ampersand a of 0 automatically star of sorry, so star of ampersand 0 means, so what you will get a of 0. Star of ampersand a of 0 is nothing but star of ampersand a of 0 is nothing but a of 0. So it retrieves the value of a of 0. So what about next element in the array? What about next element in the array means, so just you can increment PA plus plus, because what is PA? So PA is the address of the starting element in that address. So automatically, for example, so in array, so we have 5 memory locations. In array we have 5 memory locations. Okay, 5 memory locations. So for example, you can store the elements in the array 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So this element address is -12 because it occupies 2 bytes, -14, -16, -18, -20. Okay, so you can store PA is equal to A means PA, this represents PA. Okay, so when you are incrementing PA plus plus, automatically -12 plus plus. Okay, 12 plus 2. Okay, PA plus plus means because the memory occupies 2 bytes of memory for each and every integer variable. So automatically -12 plus 2, how much? Okay, so -10. Sorry, so this element address is -10. This element address is -8, -6, -4. Okay, wrong. Okay, see mana output check చేసినప్పుడు ఒకసారి చూద్దాం అది కరెక్ట్ గా ఉందా లేదా అనేది. సో ఆఫ్టర్ దట్ we will explain one more time. arrays in pointers. Hash include. Do it as a habit to write these directives. Void main int a of 10 star PA. Okay. So at the same time, I and n to read an array variable. So CLRS here, printf, enter the size of an array. Scan of %d ampersand n. So this is the size of an array. So next, printf, enter the elements of an array. Enter the %d elements of an array. Enter the %d elements of an array. How many elements you want to enter? N. Okay. For I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. Okay. So scan of %d. Okay. Ampersand a of I. A of I, A of 0, A of 1, A of 2 until A of n minus 1. Okay. Now I can store a pointer variable, like I can store a single element address ampersand A of 0. It stores starting element address. So now I want to display array elements and respective address of those array elements using pointer variable. Okay. Printf array elements are using pointer variable. Pointer variable. For I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. Okay, what about you want to write now? Printf %d slash t. For each every element, you will give tab space. So next, I want to write now. Here is just PA. Okay, so I want to increment PA plus plus. So at the same time, I want to display value of A of %d is equal to %d and address of A of %d is equal to %d. Okay, slash n. See here, value of A %d is equal to %d and address of A of %d is equal to %d. So now A of %d means I want to display there index will be 0. Next index 1, index 2. So now I want to write the first control string matches with index and the second control string matches with value. Okay, star PA, and third control string is also matches with index value because A of %d. So after that, it is going to be address. Okay, so that's why. So now I'm going to increment a pointer variable PA plus plus. Okay, I will close the loop. So write getch to skip the output screen directly without pressing Alt F5. So now I want to save this program pointers 3.c. Okay. No. Okay, so put semicolon after closing the double quotes. So that will display an error. Enter the size of an array. I will give 5. So I want to enter 15, 63, 12, 55, 42. See here, array elements are using pointer variable. So a of 0 is equal to 15, a of 1, 63, a of 2, 12, a of 3, 55, a of 4. So please see the addresses of those respective elements. A of 0 minus 32, a of 1 minus 30. That means 2 will be incremented up to the next address location. And minus 30 is also incremented by 2. And the address of memory location of the next element is minus 28. And again 2 will be incremented, you will get minus 26 and you will get minus 24. Okay, okay. So now I want to explain how I think I don't want this now. I will close it. See here, so and the first element of array 20, 30, so this memory location address is minus 32. 2 bytes will be incremented because array can store a set of elements and the memory will be allocated continuously. Minus 28, 26, minus 24. Okay, so this one is a of 0. One, a of 2, okay. So the index 0, 1, 2, 3, array name. So array name always point out the starting address location of an array. Okay, so we are writing one integer variable, one integer array a of 10, and so after that what you want to do is int a of 10. Okay, so after that I want to, okay, pa, sorry, star pa. Here I can store the starting address, the starting array element address in that PA. Okay, so initially you can display star PA. Star PA means star of ampersand a of 0. So automatically you will value in that address. So that means a of 0 value will be retrieved. Okay, so next PA will be incremented, PA plus plus, because it is an integer pointer variable. It increments 2 bytes. It increments 2 bytes. So minus 32 plus 2 minus 30. So automatically the next PA point out when you are writing PA plus plus, star PA is equal to star of ampersand a of 1. That means value in this address a of 1. When you are incrementing pointer variable again PA plus plus, so automatically minus 30 plus 2 minus 28. So automatically PA can store address of third memory location, and A of 2. So you will get A of 2. Next, again, PA plus plus star PA is equal to star of ampersand A of 3. Because so minus 28 plus 2 minus 26. Okay, so now you will get what you want to write now is again PA plus plus. So you will get star of ampersand A of 4. Okay, so this is equal to A of 4. Next, I is equal to 5. Automatically 5 is less than 5. Loop will be terminated. So already you know about this logic in arrays. Okay, so that is about pointer using arrays, and we discussed about pointers to pointers already. Okay, so in the next session we will talk about compatibility in arrays and L value, R value, so as well as in pointer arithmetic. Okay, so memory locations. So these are all we discussed in next session, and array of pointers and programming applications. Okay, so all these concepts we covered in next coming sessions. Okay.